Harry's room was always full of fun and adventure, but today something was different. Where's my car? I can't find anything in this mess. Uh-oh, Harry. Looks like your toys had a party and forgot to clean up after. I was just, testing them out, but now I can't find my car. Maybe it's time for a game. Let's tidy up and turn your room into the coolest, cleanest space ever. Let's play Toy Rescue. All the stuffed animals go to the soft corner. The blocks go into this bin, and cars into this box. Ready? Ready!
Pick it up, put it away, make it neat to play all day. Blocks and bins, cars and rows, that's the way a clean room goes.
Wow, my room looks amazing. And I found my car, too. With teamwork and fun, the room was sparkling in no time. See? A tidy room means a happy you. Now you can play without the mess getting in the way. And as a reward for our hard work, here's something to celebrate your tidy room. Thanks, Emma. You're the best. From now on, I'll always tidy up after I play. It's way more fun than I thought. A tidy space keeps your treasures safe and your mind happy. Bright Beginnings continues. See you soon.